this video I will talk about my Bitcoin trades, my recent long here, my targets and everything. I've already talked about these two on the top of the range, but I longed Bitcoin yesterday again, and this was a pretty good entry, so I will talk about it in the video. So first of all, we go to the daily. I will show you what was my zone. So from this whole big daily range, it is the 50% of this range, and then from this smaller range I have this fib level here, so I marked these two out. And also we could also say that this is also OT, but it's kind of, I don't know, this isn't really clean, so I marked 50% and 78. And yeah, let's go to the lower time frame. After we broke this structure here, I was looking for longs here, and I longed off this engulfing. Oh, also one more level I had here was a daily SNR, a weekly SNR, and it's the same level on the daily, and on the 4 we have this liquidity here, and then we have the POI that came from an OTE. So this is why I longed. Now I will show you my targets. I'm not sure if it's gonna continue down at this point, but my target is the OT of this range, and then if it goes above it a lot, I will definitely have runners. And then the next target would be the 50% of this range, and it also aligns with some levels here. Then the OT of the whole range is aligning with this high. But at this point, I don't know if I will look for shorts here. Probably not. And yeah, we'll see. I'm still holding these two. From the top, these are only runners. But the daily point, it kind of looks like it could still go down. We have the OT of the range here. Then we have the other level, which is the 79% here. So if it goes lower, I will be looking for more entry opportunities in these areas. And if it goes even lower, here's this low, and then if we measure this whole zone, it also aligns with the OTE. So in this area I will definitely be looking at something, but as I always say, we do not predict, we react. So I'm not really predicting anything. I longed because I had my edge shown on the graph, and I just decided to long it, going pretty good. The first rollback is this zone here, but it's nothing really that important. It is a good zone because we had this sweep here and then this whole huge move. But yeah, I'm already on break even, and I will let the trade play out. Very probable would be hitting these zones, so I'm not really scared of holding at this point, even though the trade is pretty big because it's too loud on Bitcoin. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. We'll see what Bitcoin does. There are a lot of economic factors at the current moment, so we'll have to see. We also have this SNR level. And then if we go to daily, not daily, what was it? 1 hour support becomes resistance. So it's a pretty good level, but nothing that important. We'll see how it goes. And I will update you guys on the Telegram, on my Instagram. And Telegram is free, by the way. And yeah, see you in the next one.